Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in case you're new here, my name is Zach Daniel. So thank you very much for always staying on my channel, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you've not yet done it. So today I'm going to I'll be arranging my closet. It is very embarrassing, it is choking, it is yeah. So at some point I had bought hangers, but then they were, yeah, I found them a bit expensive. But now today I'm going to use cheaper ones that I bought, each at 10 shillings. So these are my hangers here. So I bought these hangers of mine. They are 100 pieces. I bought 100 pieces at 1,000 shillings. So it means one hanger goes for 10 shillings. Yo, I said one hanger, how much? 10 shillings. Yeah, so in case you need me to do a vlog on where you can buy them, please consider commenting down there and you wish my command. So we can start by arranging the closet, even though it is very ghetto. But anywho's, if you don't mind, just forget about this. This one is out right now, and it will stay aside as we arrange. So this is my closet. Generally, I am a girl, okay? So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to try and be a lady at some point, yeah? So on this side, like these ones, I have never worn them right here. So I'll consider putting them on this end so that I don't forget. And most of them here as well, I've not worn them. So I am going to arrange them according to maybe the occasion. And yeah, those that I have not worn, like those that I've never worn, those that I have worn just a bit, yani nimeva sijarudia. Yeah, then yeah, those ones that I have worn, at least like some of the favorites, I'll put them at the end of this one. So at first, when I went to Kamkunji, I had bought these ones. Okay, Kamkunji also, the prices do vary, okay? So when I went there at first, I bought them at 12 of them at 130 shillings or something like that. But then I bought for 1,000 bob, and they never fit. They were never enough for my clothes. Are they really 1,000 bob? I think maybe 5 batches, if I'm not wrong. So they were never enough for my clothes. That's why I decided to add 100. I see if it will fit. Yeah. So comment down there. Tell me if how you have arranged your closet, or if your closet is like a girl's here, and maybe your problem might be hangers or something like that. And as usual, I usually give you places where you can get them cheaply. Yes. So if you like this video, consider giving me a thumbs up. If you don't like, peleka makasiriko huko mbali, okay? Thank you very much. Yeah, so should I also talk about what I really look at? Like some of these clothes, most of them are from, okay, these new ones are from Isili, okay? So like this one is from Isili. So what I usually consider when I am buying a dress or a cloth or whatever is, first of all, the quality. Yes, so like this one, the quality is really nice. Second of all, and I bought these clothes in February and I have never worn them, the ones that are here, this one's generally. So second of all, I usually also consider, is this cloth a common uniform, or is it among the chosen few, okay? So in case I see it's a Kenyan uniform, I cannot consider buying it, okay? So people may be saying, like, if you go to Isili's Kenya uniform, no, there's no Kenya uniform. You know, therefore it depends maybe the price, the quality, and you know, most people will go for the price. Yeah, so if you go for the price, of course everyone and anyone can afford it, not in a bad way, but most people will buy those ones, and that's why you see people saying in Easily things like Kenya uniform. Personally, I have bought stuffs in Easily, but they're not Kenya uniform. It just depends with what you choose, how you choose, or what you want, or the quality and everything. Okay, I love this two-piece as well. I will wear it one day and you will see. So the quality is really nice. Now this one I bought it in Tanzania. When I traveled to Tanzania, I bought this one. For wife material, because it's really long and I will need to reduce it a bit, this one suits me really well. I'll put them here because I've never worn them. So yeah, and this one, I really love this one and I might wear it maybe for this weekend. What do you guys think? Let's see here. It looks like this because it's not on the body, okay? Anywho, yeah. So I'm trying to arrange this side dresses, the other side maybe tops, or I can always put them closer to the dresses, and then the other side trousers. Just something that I can always pick quickly or when I'm in a hurry and leave. So far this is the progress there. But yeah, here I'm trying. We are almost, and here as well. So yeah, we are trying. Yo. Hey, tutamaliza hizi kwa. I'm finally done with arranging. This is the next day, and I want to show you how I have arranged it, and I think I like it. Comment down there, let me know what you think about it, and at least I feel confident a bit. This is how it looks. Down here I put my sleeping clothes, then here these are scarves and the swimming costume, and then here like the tops that I can use when I'm indoors. Here these are for like tights, something like that. And then this side I have put this other end I have put my bed sheets and towels. So this first side I have put dresses, mostly like 95% of my clothes have not worn them yet. So these ones are super new. I have not worn them yet. And yeah, so the dresses are reaching to this point, and then these are the tops here. So from the tops I have put also the sweater tops here, and then the other side I have put two-piece attires, like this one. Yeah, I don't have a lot of two-piece, so this to arrange it makes it easier for me to get them. So except when I am in a hurry, I'll just come and and then I'm gone, so I'll have to start over again. I think you guys can relate, so let me know what you think about this arrangement. And here I have skirts, so I have handkerchief skirts as well. So we start from here. This is very handkerchief, this is handkerchief, and then this one, at least I have worn this one and this one. This one I have not worn it yet. Yeah, this one I can go with it to church. This one, and then here I have a this one is for Mama Kanisa. I can wear it to church. And then here I have put the trousers, and then yeah, trousers until from here to here. And then here I have placed the gowns, yeah. And then the last row I have placed my wigs, but they never fit. So like this one is still here. is still remaining here. It's a wig. So I'll figure it out. I see where I can get it to be. So I don't have a door on my this wardrobe. This thing got out, so I don't have. So I will just try to do the ghetto. Yeah, so I think that's it. And this is how it looks. I really like it as of now, because I know when we start mashagala it will be something else. So this other side looks like this, and yeah, basically my wardrobe is full. Do not mind the viondos, but yeah, that's how it is. So yeah, I happen to remain with some hangers here as well, so I will let you know, I think, on the other video where you can get the hangers. So this is the wardrobe door there, hanging out there. Yeah, that's it, guys. A very big thank you for always supporting, always watching. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Okay, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and more things are coming on your way. Yes, make sure you subscribe, guys. More things are coming, and I think I'll do a vlog of where I got this, whatever, this hangers at 10 shillings each. I know you also, you can't believe I got them at 10 shillings. Stop being Thomas. Yeah, so thank you, guys, and until next time, I'll see you the same place, different time. Okay, bye bye.